Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c colon and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space windows and press enter. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec / fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c colon / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command cd space windows / system32 / config / regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcdedit space / exports space c colon / bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c colon / boot / bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Type in ren c colon / boot / bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space / rebuildbcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.